Hello friends, welcome back, and today we will see how to make an easy egg burger or sandwich. This is a very versatile easy breakfast recipe. For this you will need some eggs. Here I am taking 3 eggs. To make a different version, I am making a fluffy egg omelette. For this I am separating egg yolks and egg whites. I have taken 3 egg whites and 1 egg yolk. You can use 3 egg yolks also if you are making it for kids. If you are avoiding egg yolks, then use only egg whites. You take a hand whisk and blend it till it becomes white in color. You will get soft peaks when you blend it for 4 more minutes. To check if the egg whites are completely whisked, turn the vessel, and if it is perfectly done, nothing will fall down. So it's ready. Now grease a pan with butter or clarified butter, that is ghee, and then slowly add the egg whites to it. Gently spread it on the pan. Then make a hole at the center and add as many egg yolks you want. Here I have added 1. Then close it and cook for 2 minutes. Sprinkle some salt and pepper in between. Now let's start with the preparation of the sandwich. First, cut the capsicum, remove the center part of it and make it into thin slices. If you have parsley leaves, use that also. I didn't have it. Now I am cutting tomatoes and onions. In the meantime, this egg omelette is ready. Switch it off. Don't leave it for too long, otherwise it will get flattened. It won't be fluffy. Now let's start with the assembling of the burger. For that, take a pan and toast the burger pieces. Cut them into half and toast it. This burger I made at home itself in a pressure cooker. I will share that recipe later. Now let's start assembling. First put tomato sauce, then capsicum, onions, tomatoes, then 1 cheese slice. On top of it, again add more tomatoes and then close the fluffy omelette and put some sauce on top of it. Mayonnaise can also be added. Then close it. The same thing can be done in the sandwich also. The fluffiness of egg yolks add a different texture to the burger. You can skip the eggs completely and add fried crispy chicken also. Do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out.